In Article 2, Section 13, the state recognizes the vital role of the youth in nation building and shall promote and protect their physical, moral, spiritual, intellectual, and social well-being. It shall it shall inculcate in the youth patriotism and nationalism and encourage their involvement in public and civic affairs. So, an example of this is NSTP, established by Republic Act 9163. It requires college students to undergo civic education and defense preparedness training. It offers three components. First is ROTC, or Reserve Officer Training Corps. This focuses on military training and national defense. Second is LTS, or Literacy Training Service. It aims to train students to teach literacy and numeracy to school children and out of school youth. Third is CWTS, or Civic Welfare Training Service. It engages students in activities that contribute to the general welfare and betterment of life for community members. So, this program promotes patriotism and encourages the youth to actively participate in community development and nation building. In Section 17, the state shall give priority to education, science and technology, arts, culture, and sports to foster patriotism and nationalism, accelerate social progress, and promote total human liberation and development. An example of this is Republic Act number 10650, or Open Distance Learning. This act aims to expand access to quality tertiary education through through the promotion and application of open and distance learning. It provides flexible learning opportunities for students, especially those in remote areas, thereby democratizing the access to education.
Article 14 of the 1987 Philippine Constitution mandates the state to provide accessible, quality education for all and recognizing it as a key foundation for national development. In general, for the Section 1, the state shall protect and promote the right to quality education and make it as accessible to all. For Section 2, the state shall establish and maintain a complete, adequate, and integrated education system relevant to the needs of the people and society. For the Section 3, education shall foster patriotism, nationalism, moral character, and personal discipline. Teach the Constitution and respect for human rights. For Section 4, the state recognizes the complementary roles of public and private institutions in the education system and regulates all educational institutions. And lastly, for the Section 5, the state shall assign the highest budgetary priority to education to ensure teaching, effectiveness, and learning outcomes.
Arts and culture. Culture is the soul of a nation, reflecting its identity, values, and history in the Philippines Constitution. Section 14 to 17 of Article 40 emphasize the vital role of culture and the arts in nation building. These provisions outline the government's responsibilities in preserving Filipino culture, supporting artistic expression, protecting cultural treasures, and respecting the right of indigenous people. In generalization, the Section 14 to 17 of the Philippines Constitution underline the government duty to nurture and protect the nation cultural heritage by promoting freedom of expression, supporting the arts, presenting cultural treasure, and recognizing indigenous cultures. This provision ensured that the Philippines continue to grow as culturally rich and exclusively society.
Now let's move on to science and technology. Science and technology gives importance to the following. Number 1, support for self-reliance. Number 2, importance for national development. Number 3, incentives for participation. Number 4, technology transfer and adaptation. Now, let's tackle the summaries of every section. In Section 10, science and technology are vital for national development. The state will prioritize the research and development, innovation and invention, education and training in science and technology. It also supports using appropriate self-reliant technologies for national benefit. In Section 11, Congress may give incentives, example, tax deductions and scholarships, to encourage private participation in scientific research. This will support deserving students, researchers, and scientists and inventors. In Section 12, the state will regulate and promote technology transfer and adaptation for national use. It encourages wide participation from private sectors, local governments, and communities in using and advancing science and technology.